What is the capital of Japan? A. Beijing, B. Tokyo, C. Seoul, D. Bangkok.
Correct answer is Tokyo.
Next question. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. Correct answer is Mars. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for water? A. Wa, B. H2O, C. O2, D. H2. Correct answer is H2O. Next question. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe, D. Hippopotamus. Correct answer is blue whale. Next question. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China, B. Australia, C. Japan, D. India. Correct answer is Japan. Next question. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Leonardo da Vinci, B. Vincent van Gogh, C. Pablo Picasso, D. Michelangelo. Correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Next question. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro, B. Pound sterling, C. Dollar, D. Yen. Correct answer is pound sterling. Next question. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Kilimanjaro, B. Mount Everest, C. Mount Fuji, D. Mount McKinley. Correct answer is Mount Everest. Next question. Who was the first person to step on the moon? A. Neil Armstrong, B. Buzz Aldrin, C. Yuri Gagarin, D. John Glenn. Correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Next question. Which planet is known as the morning star? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, D. Jupiter. Correct answer is Venus. Next question. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Thomas Edison, C. Nikola Tesla, D. Isaac Newton. Correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. GO, B. AU, C. AG, D. GD. Correct answer is AU. Next question. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? A. Japan, B. China, C. India, D. Egypt. Correct answer is China. Next question. Who painted the famous artwork, The Starry Night? A. Pablo Picasso, B. Vincent van Gogh, C. Claude Monet, D. Salvador Dali. Correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Next question. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Next question. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? A. Harper Lee, B. J.K. Rowling, C. Charles Dickens, D. Mark Twain. Correct answer is Harper Lee. Next question. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto, B. Ottawa, C. Vancouver, D. Montreal. Correct answer is Ottawa. Next question. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? A. OX, B. O2, C. OH, D. OZ. Correct answer is O2. Next question. Who discovered penicillin? A. Alexander Fleming, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Marie Curie. D. Jonas Salk. Correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Next question. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Correct answer is nitrogen. Next question. Who is known as the father of geometry? A. Euclid. B. Archimedes. C. Pythagoras. D. Aristotle. Correct answer is Euclid.